Team,
Naka-tres yun.
pera mo na lang kaya yung isang suot mong jersey kanina.
Wala sa camera.
Papalit rin mo sa kanya. Para ano. Salamat team. Kaya kapaliktad na lang. Thanks team. Oh, let's go! Back to the ball game! Back to the ball game!
Ahem. Okay lang, nakabawi ka na, ikaw nagpanalo.
So, still mo, ano?
Oo. Taka na, kung naka-tres yun, par. Table yun.
Buti humiga si Randy.
Kaya nga eh.
Kung hindi, yari kayo.
Paul sa tres yun. Mike.
Let's go, 2 minutes.
Alright. 12 minutes na natitira sa clock.
Grabe, sexy yan. Yun lang. Sexy shorts ah. Oy, mga boss, pakitanggal yung higaw. Kwintas, pakitanggal yung higaw, kwintas. Bolitas. Machete.
Pwede pa tayo masuk doon? Wala sa gitna yung ano eh.
Grabe, daming accessories.
Kanino, okay naman kami. Dumating ka lang. Hindi naman ko.
First ball.
Uy, parang ibang lahi nun ah.
Ay,
Boss Joe. Boss Joe, yung nakaputi, ano? 0.
Attention all players, please remove your earrings, necklace, bracelet, and
okay
everything.
na.
Please, thank you.
Okay, go.
Ito yung import. Ako, sino yung import? Hoy! Andre, team. Basket is good for team. 2 points. Ako, si team mukhang babawi ah. Mukhang hindi nakatulog last week. Mukhang hindi nakatulog last week si team. Gustong bumawi. Papayagan kaya ng mga old school BMW Prestige. Steal by J.Lu. J.Lu, kick out. Traveling violation.
Jerry, ikaw magsabi pagka may foul ah. Para balance.
Hindi ka naka-play. DJ to bossing. Wala! Nangyari. Sino nga to? Ivan.
Bulan.
Ivan. Pinasa kay Aaron. Andre. To team. Rebound by Andre. Kit Jimenez. Wala. Rebound by Ivan. Ivan. Team, nangingi ng bola. Oh, Ivan. Lagay mo na lang kay yung J3.
Foul J.Lu.
Ivan, ano ang apelido mo? Ayun, DJ. DJ, kick out to Bossing. Bossing! Basket is good.
Pooch, paano?
Assist by DJ.
Pooch. Ang apelyido Yabut.
Team, kabog! Grabe si Team! Bumawi from last week.
5-2 no?
DJ to Pooch.
Wendell.
Ha?
Pooch. Bulan.
Bulan, wala! Rebound by Andre. Muntik na mag-fumble, buti dito ng Pooch. Team na naka-headband. Pinasa kay J.Lu. J.Lu na mahamang buhok. Wala. DJ naman buhok. Sorry. Nadala. DJ, bring down the ball. O, nahihiya daw tumira. Pasa. Bulan. Okay, binigay kay DJ. Ikaw, Santiago. Binantayan ni Kip. No good. Rebound by Team. Team, titira na yan ang half-court. Bahala kayo. Oy, pinasa kay Ivan. Nice pass to Kip. Oy, chips oy. Plus rebound for Kip. Grabe mampas ngayon ah. Umiinit ah. Wendell, Wendell. Wala pa 3. Ay, 2 points. Umabot sa 3 seconds. Muntik na. Santiago plus assist by Wendell. 4-7. Ivan to Andre. Andre, bumigay yung tuhod. Foul. Who's foul ref? Butch. Kuya Butch. Foul. Yes, sir. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots for Andre. Andre, tumatalon, no good. 8 minutes. Andre, second try with a jump. Basket is good. Wendell rebound. Light ball, 2-3 zone. Kick out to paring Santiago. Wala. Ilabas. Binigay kay Coach. Boss Yabot. Binigay kay Santiago. Santiago, nagbigay sila dalawa. Traveling.
Tito Matthew ha, Tito Matthew.
Ivan. Check. 2-3 zone. Going to his right. Dribbling. Pass to
Tito
Andre.
Matthew. Oh,
Oy,
ang tito yan ah.
Traveling Andre. Kulang. Nahuli na inspector. Hindi nag-touch-on. PJ. To Kuya Butch. PJ, ikaw to Wendell. Nice pass. Sayang, mahina nga lang. To Bossing Santiago. To Boss PJ. PJ, no good. Rebound by Wendell. Wendell. Ikaw to Yabon. Yabon. To Boss PJ. Nabitawan. Hindi makaya mo. Double team. Bola ng same ball rep. Same ball. DJ for the rebound. Kick to Wendell. Wendell. Still strong. Rebound by team. Pass to Ivan. Ivan. Will bring down to J.Lu. Oh, inintay yung takbo ni DJ. 2 points plus assist by Ivan. Ready sa prep. Ready sa BMW. DJ to Wendell. Wendell to Santiago. Santiago to DJ. To Bulan. Bulan will try 3. No good. Rebound by team. Ay, malamig pa.
Go Bulan!
Andre. Kick out to J.Lu. J.Lu nabitawan. J.Lu dribbling. Kick out to team. Team going to his left. Perimeter. Basket is good. 2 points for team. Oy, DJ! Oy, labot. Foul. J.Lu plus 2 shots. Substitution.
Sino? Ito? Kuya, ano pangalan mo kuya? Michael daw. Michael Nidea. Thank you! Ay, magsasabba mo yan dito.
DJ, basket is good for shot. Basket is good. Second try by BJ. Kapos! Kapos, boss BJ, kapos. Konting usod pa.
Engineer! Engineer Ron! Next up daw ha? Next up.
Ready sa rep, ready sa BMW.
Thank you.
Andre? Oy, steal by BJ. Pinasakay, hindi makahabol. Naiiwanan yung bola. Nauna yung chan, bago yung boom. Yun, pinakita. Just foul. Who's foul ref?
Next up ha? Next up.
Substitution ref, substitution. Substitution. Sino foul? Wendell, first personal foul. Second team foul.
Basket yung una? Wala pa.
Kit. No good. Second try by Kit. Kit. Namala. Kit. Second shot. Kit. Basket is good. 13-5. Lamang ng 8. Bossing Idea to Williams. Idea to Williams.
Villares.
To try. No good. Too strong. Rebound by Kuya Puch. Kuya Puch. No good. Rebound by Power Move by Wendell. No good. Rebound by Andre. Andre. Pass to Kit. Kit. Drop pass to Ivan. Ivan will go in. Almost a steal. Ivan to Andre. Last 3 minutes. 3 seconds violation. Jelo na mahabang buhok. Nasa labas daw siya.
Billy, yung 9 Villares.
Ha?
Yung 9 Villares yun.
Line.
9. Yung 9 Villares.
Ready sa rep. Ready sa Idea.
9 to 8.
Villares.
8. Yan, 8.
Nice pass. Villares.
Oo.
Kit. Nabitawan yung bola. Almost a steal pero lang recover. To Ivan. Ivan. Drop pass. Last touch. Bossing Idea. Uy. BMW ball. Substitution rep. Substitution. Stop.
Sabi ito na ba?
Alam ko, di ka makalaro.
May pandayo ng bilyar, oh.
1 minute and 50 seconds. Idea will bring down the ball. Pass to Villares, to Wendell. Wendell, oy, perimeter, pass it to Sinusi. 2 points, plus assist by
Ano uniform yan?
Villares.
Ang bilyar?
Iyo, to Marky, to Ian. Ian, naka-pepek short. Team. Oy, traveling kasi masyadong kita yung legs eh. Kita kasi masyadong legs, masyadong sexy. Traveling. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Kita yung
Nakalimutan yata.
Ian.
Andun yung bag mo.
Idares. To Butch. Kuya Butch. Perimeter. Nice break. Rebound by Team. Team. Pass to Marky. Marky. Will attack to Jelo. Nice pass by Marky to Jelo. 1 minute remaining. Almost a turnover. By Kuya Nelson. Vice recovered. Idea. Going to his left. Dribbling to his right. Kick out. To Villares. Villares will try 3. No good. Nandun si Kuya Wendell. Wendell.
Oras, ha?
Oy, lumutang. Hindi. To Idea. No good. Rebound by Team. 13 seconds. To Marky. Marky. 2 points. Passing is good. Assist by Team.
9 na.
20 seconds.
Uy, 9 na.
17-7. Last 15 seconds.
Nag-layup pa.
remaining.
Si itong number 10. Ayaw nga pala, puta, mali ako, gago.
Foul. Kuya Butch, number 14. 1.
Sorry, sabihin tayo, ha?
First quarter.
Let's go.
Uy, wait lang. Si Nash. Dali lang. Oh, tangina, hindi ko pala na-start kanina, par. Ay. Kaya nagtataka ako, akala ko na-start. Paano yun? Siya, si Nash.
Wala, ulit first quarter.
Ang inang iyan. Akin, 9 minutes pa.
Back to the ball game.
Ano yan? Paano to? Ang inang yan. Kaya pa sabi ko, pa-start.
Nag-start yan. Ayun o.
Ayun,
Nag-play naman eh.
Tinan mo, First pa rin. Kakastart ko nga lang ngayon.
Ayos lang yan.
Ayos lang yan. Yan mo na yun.
Paano yung record ko?
Record nila. Hindi ka makakahabol sa oras.
Paano yun?
Adjust mo mamaya kung alam mo. Adjust.
Mamaya, pagkakagin si Nash, please, pag nandyan.
Calling the shot. Forward
Obo?
to 3 zone. To Bulan. Bulan on his 4th attempt. No good. Rebound by Mark. To Andre. Andre. Almost a steal. Kick to Mark. Mark. Inisip. Pinag-isipan.
Meow meow.
Oy! Marky. Marky. Pass to Melvin. Melvin. No good. Rebound by Lidea. Inagis. Medyo malapit. Kuya Nelson. One lang. Rebound by Melvin. Melvin will bring down the ball going to his left and right. Pass to Ian. Uy, traveling ang yes. Sabi ko Cesar eh. Kitang-kita yung legs. Kitang-kita yung legs. Kitang-kita yung legs.
Rumas na kasi. Para ready mamaya.
DJ Tumillares going to his right. Kick out. Perimeter, no good. Oy, tumagos to BJ. BJ to Nelson. Nelson will drop. Will attack. Drop pass to Bulan. Bulan will try. Start too strong.
Saba mo na yan, Bulan. Saba mo na yan.
Marty to Andre. Tatlo yung PMW nyo sa baba. Melvin going to his left. Foul. Idea. First personal foul. Second team foul. First team foul.
Ready sub daw.
Ready sub, Rev. Ready sub.
Pwede pa, pwede pa.
Substitution. Substitution.
Pasok, pasok, pasok. Labas, lalabas.
Yep. Marty. No good. Rebound by DJ. DJ Inagis. Chest pass to Nelson. Kumonet.
Ay!
Kumonet. Rebound by Marty. Severano. Steal by Midea. Pass to DJ. Oy! Wala pa rin. Pass to Andre. To Marky. Marky binantay ni Bulan. To Ian. Ian. Rebound. Oy! Steal by Midea. Foul. Who's foul, ref? Andre. Zero. Advantage and sportsman.
Advantage.
2 shots.
Paul yung Andre mo.
Ready sub, ref. Ready sub.
Yung Paul mo si Andre.
Dalawa naman.
Mamaya kit.
Pumasok ka ba?
Oo, kanina.
Hindi,
Two
sa
shots per Bulan.
3 points. O hindi?
Ah, lalaban pa kami, par.
Ilan ba yung score mo?
8 lang. 8, tapos sa hintay pa yung laro nila Justin next week.
4 na yung, di ba?
Second
Apat.
round by Bulan.
Yung maitim wala na, hindi nakasali yan.
Yung tatlo
Still
na
no
sila.
good,
na lang yata.
Sam.
3, 4,
Grabe,
ganyan.
malalakas sa Bulan ah.
Walo yung score.
3 kaming parehas eh. Parehas kaming 3 tablo.
Ilan yung mataas? 3? Ilan? 3? 4?
3 yata mataas pa. 3.
Dave will attack. 2 points for Dave. Assist by Bulan.
Yung score niya.
Oo.
Marky. Mark. Meow meow. Meow meow. Pass to Kip. Kip na masakit.
Ang ano?
Ian. Kip. To Marky. Ikot na yung bola. Marky. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by DJ. Foul. Which is overhead foul. Kip.
Bola mo saan?
Yung lingko dito,
Ha? Ang bola yun.
Chicago yung pula.
Overhead
Ano mo kay Nas? Para kita niya.
by Kip.
Ano po nga po na idol?
Masyadong malakas. Is communication by DJ and Dave.
Ano? Para sa bilyar yan. Tingnan mo yung damit ng bilyar. Oh.
Meow meow will bring down the ball. Meow meow looking. Pass to Melvin. Melvin to meow meow. Meow meow. Kick out to Marky. Marky going to his right. Rebound by DJ. DJ will bring down the ball. Kick out to Nelson. Nelson to the front. Nelson. Family.
Wait lang, tingnan ni referee.
Substitution.
Yan, goods.
Wala pa yung Nash.
Alis yata sila siya. Mamaya, pagbalik.
Hindi ko lang naalala.
9 minutes and 30 seconds. 9:17. Napako na tayo sa score. Wala pa. 2 points pa lang yung score. Sumunod 2 minutes. Mark. To Kit. Kit naman si Kit. Kit naman ang Kit. Kinikount kay Mark. Meow meow. Pinapas kay Marky. Marky. 2 points. 2 points is good. Pinagos kay BJ. BJ, kick out. To Bo Santiago. 2 points. Assist by BJ.
Hoy, pagka tumigil yung oras na to ha, ituloy nyo lang, play ko na lang.
Makulay, play.
Melvin. To
Ay, oo nga, para.
Oh, sige.
Oo nga, para hindi ka na umabot.
Melvin.
Score ko na lang, no?
Dapat in-stop mo na lang.
Melvin.
Anong oras mo lang?
3 minutes.
Meow meow. To Marky. Marky going to his right.
Hindi mo marunong eh. Stop ko lang, pause ko lang.
Tapos pag 3 minutes na dun sa
Oh, sige, tsaka play. Oh.
Bulan to DJ.
Play pa naman nito eh, no? Kahit nakatigil yung oras, no?
DJ. Pass to Puch. Puch. To Bulan. Bulan on the 6 of the basket is good. Lumiinit na. Sa bukas yung Bulan.
Ayun o.
2 points. Assist
Ano,
by
laro?
Puch.
City pa. Naglaro ka sa City pa.
Marky.
Ah, okay. Sa QA.
Going to his right. Marky. To his right. Open. No good. Rebound by Yabot. Yabot.
Malaki bilyaran doon sa Clayton eh, no?
Kick out to DJ. DJ.
Oo.
Sakto.
Hey, boy! 2 points. Ready sub, rep. Ready sub. Last 8 minutes. Mark. Oy, dulikit na ng 3.
Hindi, ang iniisip ko, par. First quarter pa lang dun sa akin eh. Second na yan, matatapos na yun eh.
Balik lang din.
To Mark. Tumatakbo si Mark ng nakatalikod.
Sub daw, sub daw.
Substitution rep,
Pwede yun, hindi ka-cancel mo yung...
Sige.
Pwede yun, hindi ka-cancel mo yung second quarter. Third quarter ka dyan.
Kaya nga eh, hindi ko alam.
Lagay ng first, second dyan, di ba?
Meron?
Meron.
Ano ba yung nilagay mo ulit? First ulit yan?
Hindi.
What first quarter nga?
Hindi ko na-play kanina eh, putang ina. Pero okay naman doon.
Santiago.
Sa app lang to.
No good. Rebound by Team. Team. Kick out to Mark. Mark to Team. Team will bring down.
Naka-adjust na yun na siya.
Yan din,
Kaya nga.
Santiago. Oy, si Tito Bukulagan! Wala. Nandun si Melvin. Melvin. Oy, manipis pa rin pala si Melvin. DJ, to Bulan. Bulan. 2 points.
Wow, wala pa.
Dito. Ano malakas natin?
Jokers, yung last game.
Isa na lang po.
Kalaban namin.
Ivan.
Yung makalaban niya?
Ivan, wala ka.
Oo, yun.
Bumangga.
Malakas
Melvin
na
will
yun.
try
Sino ba mga player?
to wala ka na si
Matthew, Agapay.
Ah?
Wala
Sabi sa'yo.
shooting si Melvin, sir.
Sa mga yan pa.
DJ going to his left. Foul. Mark.
Sila Matthew Day yung Ras. Ras ba yun, Ras?
Ayun,
Ay, iba pa yun, Ras.
Sa Friday yata.
Kasi Agapay.
Kasi Agapay, kalaban niya mamaya.
Eh mamaya pa pala sila. Aga naman nila agapay. Kuya JJ, malakas ni Kuya JJ. Malakas ni Kuya JJ.
Oo, last game.
First try ni DJ, no
May
good.
inali ako. Lahat ng player na ano. Wala akong point guard na
Second try by DJ.
Chamba-chamba rin sa amin yan.
Second try.
Kapawis lang, laro lang.
No good.
Individual lang ano na,
Foul by
awarding.
Kit.
Individual.
Ano tawag, Rep? Foul, Bulan, pushing. 5-5-5.
So, isa second quarter ko na to, third quarter dyan na. Mamaya.
Sumbong mo sa barangay, Jack.
Tay tayo sa'yo.
Ivan? Chief.
Ano ba sila?
Perimeter.
Oo, alam.
No good. Hoy, natapik! Boso Santiago for rebound. Boso Santiago will bring down. Pass to Dave. Dave, Matic. Foul kick. 14 foul. Warning for penalty. Ref, warning for penalty. 2 shots. Dave. Dave, nagaling Rubin. Basket is good.
Waiting ano. Mamalakas yan. Malaban na
Sama.
natin.
Chicken Joy.
Maglalaro ba ako sa Biyernes?
Gin Pomelo.
Nasali ka ulit doon.
Pwede pa naman ilang talaga.
Pero
Pagka next, ano, next season.
outside.
Laro para marami na tayo time.
Hello, hello.
Dalawa.
Marami nga pambayad.
Ivan.
Libre naman yung tayo din natin sa laro.
Ivan.
Oh, sagot lahat.
Sagot lahat yan.
Pati uniform.
Oo, lahat.
Sarap, no?
Sagot na yan.
Ivan. Check to keep.
Oh?
Keep.
Wala kami binayaran.
Grabe, no, sarap.
Kaya nga dapat kukunin ko ako rin kayo na sinapapado ko lang kayo na sino
Oo.
libre. Ba't lilipat pa ako?
Kaya nga. Enjoy ka pa, no?
Ayan.
Tagay, tama.
Dave.
Ulitin mo na lang, oh.
Tubulan. Hoy, too strong. Bumalik yung bola. Keep.
Kaya tayo magkwentuhan. Naka-live ka. Naka-record ka.
Pass to Tubulan, Ivan. Ivan. Going to his left and right. Tapas to Meow Meow. Meow Meow. To keep. Keep. Meow. 3 seconds violation. Masyado maraming
Tap down.
substitution, Rex. Substitution. BMW. minutes. Tabla na po tayo. Point guard na, running rotation pa. Ulan, will try 3. Basket is good, assist.
Mamaya na, nakashoot! Mamaya na, nakashoot!
Calvin.
Ilalabas mo daw, sino tuloy?
Calvin.
Sino tuloy, ilalabas mo kasi.
Calvin. Pass to team.
Na-stuck yung mapa sa ano.
Kaya nga eh.
Going to his left.
Nahabol na.
Rebound by Santiago. Santiago, kick out to Bulan. Bulan. Kaya uli ng 3. Bulan, second try. Rebound by Keith. Pass to team. Team, dapat sa dalawa. Team. To Melvin. Foul. Bulan. Substitution, red. Substitution.
Pasok, pasok!
Last 2 minutes and 50 seconds. 2 shots for Melvin.
Basta mabilis, lamang tayo. Sino ko laban ng Kuya JJ?
Kuya AA. Hindi ko alam para.
Jackson! Sama natin sa Sunday.
Melvin, second try.
Kuya Nash.
Oh, good.
Wala.
Rebound by Andre. Andre will take perimeter. Too strong, too high. Power rebound.
Una, boy! Kiko Darius!
Take out. Almost a steal by Keith. Lamang na po ang BMW Prestige.
Alam ko, dyan kayo eh.
Palas din na siya.
Kasal.
Calyares.
Nanonood lang si ano
Oh, good. Rebound by Andre. Andre. Kick out to Ivan.
Kakayas ko nga.
After 1 minute.
Ivan.
Nash!
Going to foul. Richie Nelson.
Nash! AG!
For penalty.
Calling the attention of...
Calling the attention of the Commissioner Nash. Please come forward.
Ivan.
Manager office.
To team. Team.
Bang!
3 points. Tabla.
Tira yun. Oh shit. Bakit ko kanina si ano? Si Rex. Tumira siya ng Rex.
Nash dito, pasuyo.
Nelson.
Galing.
Basket is good.
Dito, kanina pala nung ano, akala ko naka-play na, hindi pa pala naka-play. Thank you para. Bakit? Naka-play na yan? Tapusin na natin. First quarter pa rin to, tapusin muna to.
Andre going to his right. Traveling.
Hindi, nung iniwan mo, akala ko naka-play na, so iniwan ko lang. Tapos nung magsa-second quarter, ni-start ko. Punta start pa lang ng first. Sorry. Second na to, patapos na.
DJ, last 50 seconds.
Bedtime mo na, no? Bedtime mo na, no?
No good. Power
Ano?
rebound by
Medyo mo.
Melvin.
Hala ko.
Kick out to Keith. Keith will attack. Foul. Calyares. Penalty.
Oh, third game na to.
Penalty.
Pip pa kami. Ano oras na yun?
Oh, tingnan mo, sobrang sporty nito, nakapang-bilyar pa. Mamaya, pang-basketball naman.
Bilyar ka na?
Mamaya, inom.
Last 20 seconds. to
Okay.
go.
Inom.
Walang liga ng bilyar? O ano lang?
Ano ito? Ay, alang inom mo ngayon?
Wala
May
inom.
trabaho bukas.
Tournament?
Wala.
Saan?
Sa Kalita, sa Bocos. Sa Kalon kaya umina ako. Babalik laro na lang.
First try by Keith. Basket is good.
Nanay na doon.
Tatabla kaya?
50 entry, tapos depende sa sumali. Pagka
Tatabla kaya?
marami, ang champion 600.
Okay na yun.
Tapos yung third, yung second, 300.
No good.
3, 2, 1.
Calyares.
Ika! Sakto! Good pa rin, no? Bukas.
Last pa sa'yo.
End of second
Grabe, no?
quarter.
3 points.
Next mo lang yan eh. Next.
May palitan
Bossing,
na
bola na
Second
lang.
pa lang yan.
Kuya Nas, palitan
Bola
na yung
na
commissioner. Palitan na yung commissioner pag gaganyan mali-mali. Hindi sorry kung binabay ko.
Yan o. Third. Ito oh. Nakita mo yan? Plus minutes, minus plus seconds. Ano lang yan?
So, pe-play na to.
Tapos,
Uy, naka-play na
Period. Yan yung quarter.
Back to the ball game.
Hindi, 10 minutes pa yan eh. Time 10 lang oh. Pause ko na lang, no?
Plus ka.
Back to the ball game.
Ano, okay na. Nash. Thank you.
Hindi pala sabayan.
Hindi, nagkamali si Nash eh. Sabay talaga dapat na.
Tuloy-tuloy ito, gagabihin na.
Alright!
Third quarter.
Third na ba? Third quarter. Shoutout sa'yo!
Jackson, nanalo ba kayo ngayon?
Shoutout sa Arvin Fades. Oo, ang ganda ng laban, par. Oo, parang ako. Shoutout sa Arvin Fades. Kailangan kita next week.
Marky. Meow. To team. Anong tawag, Rep? Anong tawag? Offensive?
Magbabakasyon to.
Sige, yung bakasyon mo, kakasimula pa lang.
This thing
J-Lu, foul!
Ilang games na ba? Bago magbakasyon? Okay.
Nelson?
Nalalaro yun kasi uwi ng Pilipinas.
Sino?
Kick out to
kailan?
PJ. PJ to Nelson. Nelson going to his right. Pass to Butch. Butch. Kick out to BJ. BJ na bitaw.
Makakalaro pa ako, 19 uwi ko eh.
BJ to Millares. Millares. 2 points.
Nice one!
Meow meow.
Ano, kasama sa ano yan?
Meow meow.
Finals.
Pass to J-Lu. Kick out.
Tapos points na, par.
Steal by Wendell.
Pas na.
Ano? Ginanon lang. Palas talaga.
Kanina pa yun ah.
Kanina ba yun ah?
Sino yung win?
Diyan ka na lang, Kuya Darius! Diyan ka na lang, Kuya Darius! Ayun na!
Steal by Millares. Pass to Nelson.
Hello!
2 points. Rebound by Millares. Rebound by Wendell. 2 points for Nelson.
Basta may walang bantay, di niya masushoot.
Marky.
So, bantay no? Takbo, Kuya Darius!
Steal.
Takbo!
Rebound by J-Lu. J-Lu. No good. Foul. That's foul rep. Andre, foul. Substitution rep. Substitution. Foul, Andre.
May kalaban namin naman. Oo. Last game? Wala.
Substitution in.
Wala pa sa Edlor,
Play
pinay pa.
ball. Last 12 minutes. 28-23. In third quarter.
Papasahan mo na. Wala sa Edlor.
Midea to Nelson. Nelson going to his right. To Midea. To Millares. Millares perimeter. No good. Power rebound by Wendell. Nakatayo lang dun, sir. Laki 2 points for Wendell plus rebound. Mark. To Marky. Marky will try 3. No good. Rebound by Millares. Millares, sinakis kay Nelson. Oy, nagtawan! Nagkalusutan. Marky.
Kuya Darius, diyan ka na lang ulit. Papas break yan.
To Team. Team, going to his lane. Team. Team, drop pass.
Ayun na, pass break! Pass break!
Rebound by Wendell. Pass to Midea. Naman sila ng 7. BMW lamang ng 7. Kumalitad na ang score. Kanina sila yung nangahabol.
Ano?
Oy, grabe! Power rebound by Andre. Andre will bring down the ball. Inagis. Steal by Midea. Midea, kick out kay Casper.
Mamaya! Tinamad kumuha, no?
Hindi lang pala kinuha, abot pala. Hindi tinalon, sayang.
Ready up.
Kanina to si Barillo.
Basket is good for Andre. 2
Hindi
points.
naman nakakalaro namin si Barillo, siyempre.
El Toro.
Millares, rebound. Team, rebound.
Makoy!
Meow will call the shot. Pass to Team. Team. Humingi ng screen. Binigyan ng screen. Binigay kay Marky. Marky, Severano. Rebound by Team. Team. Going to his right. Team. The pump fake. To Andre. Andre. Basket is good. Assist by Team. Midea. Kick out to Nelson. Nelson. To Midea. To Millares. Millares open. No. Pass to Nelson. Nelson perimeter. Too strong. Andre.
Estudyante talaga.
May towel.
Tatlo na lang ilamang. Kim. Oy, still by Medea. Pass to Nelson. Assist. Ready na, time out, ref. Time out.
Nabigay na.
Ready time out, ref. Ready time out.
Nabigay na.
Ready time out, light. Ready time out, light. Marky. Still by Butch.
Takbo.
Villarez.
Bigay ko Darius.
Wendell.
Dave.
To Nelson. Drop pass.
Nice.
Oy, rebound by Villarez. Still no good. Foul. Time out, ref. Time out.
Time out ba kayo?
Time out.
Nash, pag time out. Pause.
Sige Darius, huwag niyo muna ilalabas kayo.
Tuloy lang.
Sige Darius, hindi ko pagod. Ibabangko kita. Hindi naman tayo magkakombe.
Medea for 3. No good, rebound by Kid. Kid, still by JB. Pass to Dave. Dave dribbling the ball, pass to Bulan for 3. No good, rebound by
Sexy.
Vicente for 2.
Uy! Sayang, ganda.
Out of bounds.
Jackson, next time gawin.
Kit.
Hindi ako nakashoot.
Kit to Melvin. Melvin. Pass to Andre. Andre going to his right. Still by Medea. To Melvin. Melvin. Playing with the ball. Ivan. Good try 3. Basket is good. Assist by Melvin. Uy! Wala. Almost. Kit. Kit. To Ivan. Ivan. Basket is good. Back to back by Ivan. 33-32. Lamang na puli ng isa. Uy! Nabitawan. Nagulat. Si Bulan.
Nagulat eh.
Kinaliwa ni Ivan. Back to back. Grabe. 8 points by Ivan. Bulan. Going to his left. Basket is good for Bulan.
Maui!
Power moves. Power layup by Bulan. Foul Dave. Richie foul by Dave. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Break, kulang yung isang foul. Pareha silang goals.
Next up.
Ready sa prep.
Huwag mo na dyan, kuya. Dead ball.
Steal by Santiago. Steal by Ian.
Ian Ski.
The sexy guy.
Sexy Ian.
Oy!
Basket.
Basket is good. Foul by Bulan. Last shot by Andre. Lumalayo na po yung lamang. Substitution, rep. Substitution.
Derek, basket ha.
No good. Rebound by Butch. Butch going to his right. Left and right. Inagis kay Dave. Dave. Basket is 2 points. Assist by Butch. Yeah, Butch assist. 2 points. Dave. Keep.
Wala ba sa kotse mo?
Pass to Melvin. Melvin.
Wilson na Bulls.
Lahat lagay mo agad pangalan.
4 minutes.
Bola. Naiwan ng linggo. Ngayon niya lang naalala ng pagdating niya dito.
DJ.
Last week.
Kick out to Bulan. Bulan going to his left. Bulan. Umikot-ikot! Wala. Rebound. Foul. Vision foul. Yabut. Warning for penalty. Kick. No good. Push foul by who? 35. Melvin. Last 3 minutes and 15. Low. Red sub. Dave? Low. Dave. Ano nangyari? Foul by who? 35? Oh.
Sub daw. Sub.
Penalty.
Substitution. Sub. Good job. Good job daw.
Sub, rep, sub.
Ayun na, nakapasok ko na. Gates na rin.
Di ba?
Basta yung dating room.
Kill. Foul penalty, 2 shots. Bon Anthony. Ang offensive foul ba? Hindi siya kasama sa team foul?
Personal foul.
Substitution, ref, substitution.
Magulas yan, no? Hindi, dun na lang yung
Hindi, alam ko wala akong free throw. Kasama sa akin pa kayo wala talaga.
Basket is good for kids.
kasama sa...
Lagyan niya ng offensive foul. Para feedback pa. Kasi nabibigay ng foul lagi. Kailangan meron offensive foul. Para hindi po pasok doon sa...
Wala ito eh. Wala siya bot?
By Dave. Isa lang.
Sino tumira? Wala sumasok?
Dave! 2 points assist by Bulan. Elvin, Ivan playing with the ball. Binigay kay Kit. Kick out to Tim. Nag-fumble. Binigay kay Ivan. Dribbling. Kick out to Ian. Got the long legs. No ball. Ayan na, inakis na. Matik yan. Fast break. Last foul. Laban na uli ang BMW. Last 45 seconds. Last shot by Bulan. Bulan. Basket is good for Bulan. 41-37. Last 20 seconds. Keep. Will attack. Oy! Basic lang para kay Kit.
10 seconds.
10 seconds. 6, 5, still. 3, 2, 1.
Huwag muna i-start ha. May 15 seconds pa ako. Huwag muna i-start. Wait lang, wala pa. Wait lang, 8 na lang. 5, 4, 3, 2. Wait lang, hintay mo ako. 1, 2, 3, go! Ito, utang ina mo. Fourth. Chris, mamaya ka na mag-dribble. Chris, mamaya ka na mag-dribble.
Rebound by Andre.
Nagsishake. Oh.
Andre to Kid. Kid. 2 points. Rebound by Andre. Andre tumalon. Rebound by Dave. Dave. Inaagis kay BJ. Sakto ba? Sakto!
Wow!
By Dave. Almost a steal. Oh, muntik pa nga eh. Hindi ka pa kami. Lahat. Kid. Oy, wala! Rebound by Bulan. Bulan. Reach in, Kid.
Classic 8.
Kid, third personal foul. Outlet steal by Andre. Andre will run. Andre. Yo-yo. Rebound by DJ. Coach. Santiago. Power layup. 2 points. Wala lamang. Anim na sir. Anim na. Last quarter of the game.
Pasok ka. Kuya.
Wala pang tira sa Meow Meow ah. To Marky. Marky going to his left. Kalapig. Reach in sa likod. Sinundot sa likod. Foul DJ.
Saan sinundot?
Sa likod.
Sa likod? Wait na.
2 shots for Mark. Marky, first try. No good. Konting usod na lang. Papasok na. Abot kaya ng 40. Tama, honey. Marky for 40 points. No good. Blue ball. DJ will run to play. To Santiago. Santiago will 2-3. Power rebound by Kid. Kid will bring down the ball. Kid. Ball pass to Marky and good. Assist by Kid. Kid Urban. Dave going to his left. Power shot, no good. Rebound by Kid. Yeah, lang si Dave. Reach in? No, it's all good. Meow meow.
Tira!
To Marky. Marky will try 3. No good. Too strong. Rebound by Pooch. Inagis. Hindi na tumalon si Mark. Hindi na timeout ref. Ready timeout. Light. Timeout light. Ball gaming 10. 10 minutes and 10 seconds. 10 minutes and 20 seconds. Let's go. Calling out to Kid. Kid, basic lang kay Kid eh. Oy, tumama sa likod. Oy, good pa rin. Oy, okay. Kid, power rebound. 2 points. Then the team. Ayan na. Pinagis. Ivan, steal. 4 na lang yung puntos. Kid. Still, ayan na, relax na. Hindi na bumababa si Bulan. 2 points. Foul, Andre. Warning for graduation, Andre. 4th personal. Personal foul.
Bata pa rin. Dito, gagraduate na, no?
Galing na bata-bata mag-graduate.
Bulan, last shot, no good. Rebound by Keith. 49-45, 49-43.
Wala po ba? Hindi pumasok?
To Keith.
Okay.
9 minutes. Keith. To team. Team. Wala, malak too strong. Last touch, coach. Substitution, ref, substitution. Marking out, Melvin in.
Errol sub.
Sinagawan ni Santiago. Dave, binigay kay Bulan. Sinagawan, Dave! 2 points. Para kay Bulan.
Kinaliwa. Bilad na.
Another one. Hey, guys, pass! Uy, nagkahiyahan. Nagkahiyahan. Santiago, bumawi, bumalik. Wala. Rebound by Melvin. Melvin. Uy. Fancy dribbling. Team going to his right. Almost a steal. To Melvin. Power rebound by Pooch. Inagis ulit. Kay Bulan. Ivan. 3 points. No good. Santiago. Santiago. Steal by Keith. Line ball. Turn.
Sabrep.
Substitution, ref. Substitution. Eliaris in, Bulan out. Push out, Wendell in. Team. Dribbling. Pass to Melvin. Melvin. Kick out to Ivan. Ivan, open. Basket is good. Tatlong 3 points na yan ni Ivan. 6. Kaliwa lang, 5. Play, easy basket. Pinaliwak.
Kaliwete yata eh.
Nakaliwiti. Melvin. Kick out to Ivan. Ivan will try. Oy! Going to his left and right. Kick out to Tim. Tim going to his left. Left. Ivan again. No good. Power rebound by Tim. No. Andre. 2 points. Time out. Blue. Oh. Manager. Back in the ball game in 25. 5:25 back to the ball game. Back to the ball game.
Hindi maganda kuha ni Randy. Dami yung print mo namin ang leadership. Dami. Ako, si Jay.
Last 5 minutes, 53-48 to Millares. Millares, no good. Power rebound by Keith. Keith, looking. Wants the ball. Wants the ball. Going to his left. 2 points for Keith. Court to court. Wendell, foul team.
Third team foul. First personal. Ready up, ready up. Rebound by Melvin. No good. Rebound by Kit.
Next sub ah, next sub.
Ready sub, rep, ready sub. Last 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Ivan. Team. No good. Power rebound by Millares. 53-50. Lamang lang ng tatlo.
BJ,
Santiago.
Tyson muna.
Take out to Millares. Millares. Pass to Wendell. 2 points. Assist by Millares.
BJ.
Andre.
Sorry.
Andre. Given to Ivan. Ivan. Good dribble. To his left.
Okay, next sub ah.
Dave. Lamang na 5. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Idea. Kick out to Santiago. Santiago will try. No good. Power rebound by Wendell. Kick out to Dave. No good, Dave. Andre to rebound. Pass to Melvin.
Next sub daw ah.
Hey, 2 fan. Oy, na last touch. Substitution, right? Substitution. Substitution, final substitution na ng BMW.
Wendell.
Jackson, oh.
Will attack to his left, to his right. 2 points for Kit.
Galing ni Kit, no?
Oy, five. Basket.
Wait lang. Continuation. Unscore plus 2
Counted.
points. Ngayon titira si Boss. And then, ano yung plus ball possession?
Dadagdag ba ng foul yan?
Ball possession, BMW. Ref.
Basket, Jeric,
14
ah.
seconds.
Jeric, basket ah.
14 seconds.
Oo, kamaya.
14 seconds. Start time.
Uy, Jeric, pasok ah.
Oh, opo. Nagawa na. Ayun. Foul. Who's foul, ref?
Good date, oh. Tama, good date.
Dave, your third personal foul. Second.
Date, sumot yung free throw.
Counted. Pag-counted yun eh.
Pumasok. Masok yung foul counted, tapos plus free throw.
Ivan. Kick out. 14 seconds. Melvin. Still no good. Tinapon kay Andre. Ayun, tinapon ulit. Nelson to Kevin. Kid. Lamang ng 8. Late in Nelson. 14 seconds to shoot.
Nelson, your second personal foul. Third team foul.
Nasa mga magapa mo? Mga magapa mo? Time yan, ilaro mo lang. Joke lang. Tayo ka.
Last 10 seconds. No goal. Power rebound by Millares. Pass to Coach. Last 20. Pass to Dave. To Millares. No good. No goal. Team. Perimeter. No good. Rebound. 2 points. Millares assist by TJ.
Ah, nakabutas na.
Still by Abbott. Millares for 3. No good. Power rebound. No good. Rebound by Melvin. Melvin.
Oras.
2 points. Shot clock is off. Okay, 2 points, 14 seconds. Assist by Nelson. Kick. 3-point shot. No good. Next game. Running time.
Dash, paano to next game? Sino ba sa ano?
Namiss na kita. Nagkaroon ko kasi ah.
Malamig ah. Parno? Diyan ka, Jen?